To tighten sagging boobs, you're gonna be needing cumin seed. Okay, you have to use the brownish cumin seed. There's different types of cumin seed. There's black cumin seed, but you don't need the black one. Okay, for this remedy you need this one that is actually looking brownish like this. Okay, let me bring it close so you can see. This is how it is. I actually wrote this in so I can remember the name. Okay, it's called cumin seed. Now cumin seed helps so much in tightening up the skin. Mixing it with other natural ingredients will leave your skin tighter and it will renew your age. It's going to help in getting rid of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's going to tighten up the boobs. And we're going to be needing cucumber. Now, because cucumber contains lactic acids and vitamin E, it helps to firm up a loose and a saggy skin. It also helps to remove wrinkles and fine lines. It would get rid of double chin and a sagging boobs. And also we're going to be making use of egg, and in this we're going to be using the egg whites. Okay, now egg white is known to tighten up or loose pores. It firm up the skin, it leaves the skin glowing, and it's also an age renewing remedy that helps to tighten up the boobs. And also we're going to be making use of carrot oil. Alright, carrot oil has been used anciently for skin problems such as large pores, sagginess of the skin, wrinkles, fine lines, and it is also known to firm up saggy boobs when used with other natural ingredients that would firm up the skin. So for the cumin seed, I actually blended it, but I couldn't blend it very smooth, so I'm gonna try to take out the side that I blended. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this much. Okay, and this quantity is gonna be enough for one use, guys. As if you're making it to keep it for subsequent use, you have to take more than this. Okay guys, so to prepare the cucumber, I'm gonna be cutting a little piece of cucumber. Okay, now to prepare it further, we would have to be cutting it in cubes. Alright, so you have to also be careful with your hands while you do this, just like I am careful with my fingers. Okay, so after that is done, we would have to blend it. Okay, so I'm gonna be getting a blender, then we're gonna be blending this. So I'll just pack all of them into the blender. You don't necessarily need to put in any water because the cucumber has enough water. Now I would have to sieve it out. Okay, we'll need just the juice, or however you want it. You can also use the fiber. So here is the cucumber juice, and I'm gonna be taking about 3 tablespoons. And then we'll stir first of all. If you can blend your cumin seed to be very blended, like very blended into a powdered form, it's gonna work really fine. So this is how it looks like right now. Okay, now we're gonna be putting in the egg whites. Alright, so after putting that, we'll stir a little, and the thickness has actually improved. It's getting thicker. Okay, so for the carrot oil, guys, you really do need this. You're going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of carrot oil. Okay, now that's actually too much. 1 teaspoon is okay. Now if you cannot get carrot oil, you can use carrot juice itself. Okay, you can use carrot juice, and this is how it is now. This is bomb. Okay, so how you're gonna apply this? You're gonna grab the treatment, which is actually very thick right now. And I'm sorry guys, I will have to show you using my hands. Okay, so you're just going to apply it onto your boobs just like this. Okay, now when you're done applying it, the next thing you do is to give it a massage. Now a thorough massage. You massage it, and then you grab your boobs like this into your palm, and then you know, you do like that, and then you massage it. Then you do the next one. Okay, and then you massage. After applying it, you massage this boob tightening remedy onto your skin. You massage it really well, just like this. Okay, now after that is done, then you should apply a second coat of that. Okay, now this second coat is just going to help to firm it up really well. The first coat is just to enable you to massage this treatment into your skin, and then the second coat is to enable the skin on your boobs area get tighter, and then it will just begin to firm up. Okay, so after you've actually applied this, then you have to wait for this to dry completely. It's not going to be difficult to dry, just like it is right now, is beginning to dry off. It's not difficult to dry. It's gonna dry in no time. Okay, so you leave it for it to dry, and when it dries, then you can wash it off with a normal water, and then you use a toilet soap. Now when you're done, the next thing you do is to grab your carrot oil or olive oil, and then you apply just a little on that part, just like that, just a little on your boobs, and then you rub it generously. Okay, you rub it generously on your boobs. Okay, you rub the next one. Now let me tell you why you would have to use this oil, either this carrot oil or olive oil. You rub this generously onto your boobs, just like this. Okay, now this is the reason why you need to use this oil. You know, we have the carrot oil in this treatment, and for this you would have to wash it out after it dries, but when you're done you would have to apply it so that it will still continue doing the job, because the whole essence of carrot oil on your skin is just so to tighten up your pores and to tighten up your skin. So this is just gonna be one ideal thing for you to do, so you don't have to skip this. Okay, massage this, and in no time, in few weeks guys, you're going to begin to see a huge result.